How does the brain recover after a seizure? Imagine your brain as a busy city that just experienced a sudden power surge. After a seizure, the brain enters a recovery phase called the postictal state, where it slowly returns to normal. This process involves many complex changes in how brain cells communicate, blood flow, and chemical balances. The recovery can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours or even days, depending on how intense the seizure was and which parts of the brain were involved. During a seizure, neurons in the brain fire in an uncontrolled, rapid burst of electrical activity. After this burst, neurons become temporarily exhausted or neural tired, leading to a period of reduced activity and altered brain function. This is why people often feel confused, tired, or have headaches after a seizure. They might also have trouble remembering things or experience mood changes. Think of it as the brain's way of cooling down and resetting after a big electrical storm. The length of recovery varies a lot. Usually, the immediate post-seizure period lasts about 4 to 5 minutes, but it can last longer, especially if the seizure involved areas like the temporal lobe or hippocampus, which are important for memory and thinking. Sometimes, symptoms like confusion or memory problems can stick around for a day or more, especially if the seizure was severe or prolonged. Several physiological processes help the brain recover. First, chemical changes happen. After a seizure, levels of certain neurotransmitters, like adenosine, increase. Adenosine has calming effects and helps prevent another seizure from happening right away. Other chemicals like serotonin and acetylcholine also help regulate brain activity and support recovery. Second, blood flow in the affected brain areas initially increases but then may decrease below normal levels, leading to temporary low oxygen levels in the tissue. This hypoxia can cause short-term problems with memory and muscle strength. Third, inflammation can occur. Enzymes like COX-2 become elevated after a seizure and may contribute to symptoms like discomfort or memory issues. Lastly, electrical activity in the brain becomes less organized after a seizure and gradually returns to normal as neurons recover. For those with brain cancer or other neurological conditions, recovery can be more complicated. Tumors may disrupt normal brain circuits, making seizures more frequent or severe. Treatments like surgery or radiation can also affect how quickly the brain recovers. In these cases, managing seizures carefully is essential to protect brain function and improve quality of life. During recovery, it's important to rest and avoid activities that requiring intense mental or physical effort until symptoms settle. If seizures happen often or recovery takes longer than usual, medical evaluation is crucial. Doctors can adjust treatments to help reduce seizure frequency and support brain health. In summary, brain recovery after a seizure is a dynamic process involving neuronal rest, chemical rebalancing, blood flow adjustments, and inflammation resolution. The duration and severity of post-seizure symptoms depend on the type of seizure and individual brain health. For those with brain cancer or other neurological issues, recovery may take longer or be more complex. Always consult healthcare professionals for personalized advice and treatment options to support brain health and manage seizures effectively.